When it comes to the world's most advanced, long-endurance, and highly capable surveillance drones, one name stands above the rest: the MQ-4C Triton. This isn't just a drone, it's the eyes, ears, and guardian of the US Navy. Designed for unmatched maritime surveillance, the Triton is a game-changer in modern warfare. The need for Triton emerged at the turn of the 21st century, when global geopolitics began to shift dramatically. Nations like China, Russia, and Iran were expanding their presence across the world's oceans, and the United States required an aerial system capable of watching every movement at sea, continuously, precisely, and from thousands of miles away. Developed by Northrop Grumman, the same company behind the legendary B-2 Spirit and Global Hawk, the MQ-4C Triton was built under the Broad Area Maritime Surveillance BAMS program. Its mission: to provide the Navy with a high-altitude, long-endurance UAV that could patrol vast oceans and detect even the smallest activities. The Triton's capabilities are staggering. It can soar above 56,000 feet, higher than most commercial jets, and remain airborne for over 36 hours without interruption. With a range of nearly 15,000 kilometers, it can cover immense distances in a single flight. Powered by a Rolls-Royce AE3007H turbofan engine and built with lightweight composite materials, it is both durable and efficient. Its sensors make it truly formidable. A 360-degree multifunction radar to track ships and aircraft hundreds of kilometers away, an electro-optical system for day and night surveillance, electronic support measures to intercept signals, and an advanced collision avoidance radar. The Triton doesn't fire weapons, but it prepares the battlefield. By locating, tracking, and identifying enemy movements, it gives US commanders the intelligence needed to act with precision. Today, operating from bases in Guam, Japan, and beyond, the Triton remains America's silent watcher, reshaping the balance of power across the Indo-Pacific.